Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to remove background in Capcut PC. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to import a background in the first layer of Capcut project window. As I have already imported my background here, so if you want to change it, you can search here library and just scroll down, and here you can select the background option, and from here you can select any background. I have selected this background, but if you don't want to select background from here, you can just click on local and you can import from your computer. As I have already selected this, so I will keep this background. And now if I want to remove the background of the video, then I have to just uh, make it here, and then you have to click on this video and just click on this button cut out, and here you can see chroma key option. Click on this, and here you can see color picker. Click on it, and here click on it, and from here you have to select the strength and shadow. You can see background is removed, and from here you can adjust the strength and shadow according to your choice. And you can see I have perfectly removed the background from this video. I can play it, and you can see this video background has been changed. So guys, in this way you can remove background from your video in Capcut PC. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.